What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Trading with a DJ. So today I'm just going to break down a trade that we took this morning. It's the 18th of February 2026. I'm going to show you how I had to set up like this and know that I'm going to take my trade around here to knowing that it's going to go up. How did I know that we're going to buy? How did I know that I should enter here? So let's go to the charts. Okay, I'm going to remove everything here. So here I have the charts and this line called the EMA exponential moving average. It shows me the trend. It's easier than to continuously draw trend lines, but I still draw trend lines. So what I do, I'm going to explain my strategy. It's called the significant candle range breakout, right? It's my own strategy. You have not heard of this strategy. It's my personal strategy, but I'm going to give it to you guys for free. So what I do is I come to the daily time frame. So you see this candle. This is the candle today. That's the buy we took today. This candle, because on a daily time frame, each candle represents a day. So what do I do? All right, I come to the charts in the morning, and then I mark the highs and the lows of the previous 3 days, right? Here we go. The bottom ones are not really necessary at this time because the charts are up, and I'm just doing it for reference sake and for you guys to know. So I have 1, 2, 3 candles. We are trading this candle, and then I come to my 1 hour. What have I done here? These yellow lines that you see are my significant areas. They represent the support and resistance, which is a topic of another day. I trade from one yellow line to the next. So I want to see how price react at those yellow lines. They can be any color according to the color that you like. How the price reacts, and then I make my decision according to how price reacted to the lines. So today the charts reset at 2 a.m. because we are 2 hours ahead from the saver. So everything behind this line was yesterday going back. Today was this. So I checked the charts around 7 thereabout, right? So my 1 hour is showing that we are in an uptrend from since here going up. There's no signs of going down. So I come to my 30 minutes. My 30 minutes time frame is my most important time frame. This is where I execute my trades. So let's say this was 4 a.m. checking, 6 a.m. I checked this. Yeah, I came in and checked the charts at 7 and I saw this candle. So what I noticed is the price had broken the yellow line before, which is this, and then it broke to the downside. So what's the strategy? You look for a candle that breaks the zone, or that is rejected from the zone. That becomes your significant candle. You want to mark the high and the low of that candle. That is the range, right? So it's called significant candle range breakout. Where is the breakout? You wait for price to break out of that range. So here, since we are in an upward movement, we mark this became the range, but because we want to buy, we are in an upward movement. The price came and broke the range in the sell direction. I'm not going to sell because we are in an upward. My daily bias is we're going to buy unless this candle had rejected, but the candle broke showing me that we want to buy, but then it was nullified. This candle closed outside. So what are we going to do? We wait. And then when I check the market again around 7, from 7 to 7:30, I saw this candle, right? This one is a significant break. This was a minor break. That's why it failed. You want to look for a significant break, something that you can say, yes, it is broken. So this was around 7. It broke. When it broke, I marked this candle. So what's happening also, I'm seeing the trend. My EMA works as a trend line. It's a dynamic trend line. It rejected the price also, and then that's very price broke the zone. What am I saying? I can draw a trend line like this, right? There is my trend lines. There is my channel. So with the trend line, you're gonna see more. What happened here? The price came and reacted on a trend line. I was not gonna take a sell unless it broke the trend line as well. But it reacted from the trend line, it broke the zone. So this is my significant candle, and it's a buy significant range. And here is my range. What happened next? The next 30-minute candle came and broke out of that range. So now this range is valid. Now I'm fully confident that it's a buy. How do I know where to enter? So usually I go for 50%. If the range is big, I go for 50%, and also for the zone or trend line retest. So looking at the zone, I can see that halfway is almost here. So I placed a limit order here, and then I targeted, right? And then I put my stop loss here, and then I targeted 2:1 risk to reward ratio, right? Or say put it to the upper band, it's gonna get there. So this was my first TP, and I'm still holding for here. So when the price came back in the range, retested, it triggered the limit order, and I had the other limit order on the right on the zone. So 2 limit orders were triggered, and we started going up, and we're still going up. That's how I catch the trades. That's how I catch the trade. Significant candle, range breakout. You can come back here and we can see that this candle broke the range. We waited, and then the range was broken out by this candle, and it came back to retest. But here, because the range is not that big, I always want to place my limit order right on the body start of the candle that broke out. So on this, I would have put my limit order here, my stop loss on the previous candle to the significant candle, and would have ate. So yesterday we ate a buy, today we ate, and we are still eating, depending on what time you're going to watch this video. But this is how I catch my trades on Step Index, and I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, if you'd like to trade with me, you can follow the link in the bio, and also you can join Deriv, the broker that offers synthetic indices. You can use my affiliate link right below. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you again next time. Trading with the DJ. You know what I mean? After the mix, we trade.